In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot to create and manage a knowledge base. HubSpot's knowledge base tool is a fantastic feature for companies looking to efficiently organize and disseminate information. Whether you're a team looking to streamline your internal documents or a business aiming to provide detailed support content for customers, this guide will walk you through the process smoothly. Let's get started by accessing the HubSpot platform. You can easily do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the HubSpot website. Once there, ensure that you log into your account with your credentials to access all the features you need. If you're already on the dashboard, you're in perfect shape to begin. Next up, let's navigate to the right area of HubSpot dedicated to your knowledge base. From the main HubSpot interface, you'll want to look towards the top navigation bar. Here, you'll see a variety of options to choose from. Click on Service. This is where we begin laying the foundation for your knowledge base. After opening the Service tab, your next step is to click on Knowledge Base. This feature is especially built to help you construct a well-organized and user-friendly repository of information. It helps your team or your customers find answers to questions quickly without needing to reach out for additional support. Once you're in the Knowledge Base section, you'll see various options for creating content. Before you start adding articles, take a moment to consider the structure of the information you want to include. A well-organized knowledge base can significantly reduce the time customers spend looking for answers and can alleviate the workload on your support team. When you're ready to create new content, look for the Create Article button. Clicking on it will bring you to an editing screen where you can start inputting your information. Remember, clarity is key. Make your article easy to understand, using simple language and logical formatting like headers and bullet points if they help the reader. As you populate your knowledge base with articles, continuously test your entries to ensure the information is accurate and up to date. Regularly revisiting and revising content ensures that users get the most current and reliable information available. Once you've assembled and reviewed your knowledge base articles, do a final check by navigating through your articles as any user would. Make sure that navigating your content is intuitive and that search functionalities are working correctly. And there you have it. That's the basic rundown of using HubSpot to create and manage your own knowledge base. Remember, a well-crafted knowledge base can dramatically enhance both the customer experience and support efficiency. Thanks for joining me today, and happy creating with HubSpot.